Hi friends, let's have a look what is product and project. So a product, if software application is developed for multiple customers and based on market requirement, then we can say it's a product. So here the primary goal of product is to generate value and revenue. So the product management focuses on market research and customer needs and continuous improvement. Another side, the project, if software application is developed for a specific customer based on the requirement, and a project refers to a series of steps involved in creating software or delivering a specific outcome. So the primary focus is on achieving the desired outcome or solving a particular problem. So once it's completed, then outcome becomes a product. Please have a look this result.